guys, what's up? So today we are going to be continuing our palette journey, and today we're going to be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette to create this crazy goodness on my eyes. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just starting off by applying a little base to my eyes. This is the Icing Eyeshadow Base by Glam Light. It's just a white base, and it's going to really give you the most out of your colors. Okay, so today we are going to be using the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am taking the red in that palette, which is called Licorice, and I'm just kind of creating a little U shape towards the front of my eye here. Now we are taking the yellow in that palette called Wow, and I'm just placing that towards the back of that red and kind of blending the two together a little bit. Okay, so now we are going in with Virgin, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. And it's also gonna go in the center of this little half circle that we've created. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of red liquid lipstick. This is just the Betty Boo. This is just Betty Boo by Hank and Henry, and I'm just outlining the whole shape of my eye, winging it out, and then bringing it back in and lining the, lining the eye. The top lid area. Okay, so now I'm taking Blue Steel by Thebriabeauty. This is one of their Hydra liners, and this is a water activated paint, so it's not going to really be waterproof. So you would probably want to set this somehow with like a shadow or something like that if you were to put it in your brows like I am. But for the sake of this look, I am just, I'm not gonna set it. I don't really plan on going anywhere, so this is just one of those looks that I'm gonna do and then probably wipe off. If I was going to be wearing this look out though, I would probably do like a blue liquid lipstick or something that dried down and didn't budge. But yeah, since I probably won't be going anywhere today, I'm just going to use this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shades Soaked, and then I'm also going to do Sour mixed with a little bit of Wow and blend those out on either side of my lower lash line area. I went ahead and did my full face makeup just to kind of get it out of the way. I went ahead and put down a blue base and a yellow base, and then we're gonna put those shades on top. Okay, so now I'm just taking a white liner. This is by Romantic Beauty, and I'm just kind of starting the liner right here at the lower lash line area, right in between those colors, wrapping it up, taking it behind the wing and up and wrapping it around the brow. Now I am applying some dots towards the front of the eye, and then we're gonna do red dots towards the back of the eye. Now I'm just adding some lashes that I made. These are Bebelin lashes, and I just added some orange and yellow to them, as well as some glitter. And I'm just applying those to the eye. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Let me know what palette you think I should use next. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.